Today we'll study a chapter that is way to multiply and divide. So we'll start with your multiplication. Why is multiplication is very important into our day-to-day life. We can't calculate that one number. Like for example, many of them distribute as the same number 9999, and they have a 20 members. We can't add to 99 for 20 members. So what we'll do, we'll instead of doing how many members are there, there is a 20, how many are distributed equally, 9. So this is a way to 20 into 9 will be a 180. That is will be writing or multiplying to make our easy to do the sums. Okay students, let me discuss very deeply about this chapter, that is way to multiply and way to divide. So let me discuss what is the first one. Multiplying with a single digit. We are taking the multiplication with a single digit. See a student, first I am taking 7 into 6. They given the three problems there in 7 to 6, 4, 8, 9 into 7. So let me take it about 7 into 6. Here 7 into 6, we are taking 7 into 6. Let we consider here, always we have to take this part. Here into is there, no, this is a different part. We have to carry over the unit, tens, hundred. After this into, after this part, this is the right hand side. This right hand side will be a different part. We have to write for that also unit, tens. When you do with the two digit numbers, you will be coming to know. Before, let we study this properly. Here 7 into 6. First into sign, your left side we should be right unit, tens, hundred, like that. Here 7 will be your unit. Here this side also a different part, that also unit, tens, hundred, like it. Okay, here units, that is ones. We can say unit also, here ones also. After, what you have to do here, HTO will be representing as an HTO, and draw the two lines. We have to draw the two lines. Then what you have, this first you have to place in your left hand side, you have to place here down, that is 7. Here 7. Here what sign you have here, which place you have, that place you should be represent as 7. 7 is in what place, that is in ones place, that is 7. And next, what sign you have here, into, we should represent down. And before that, we have to represent in the right hand side, that is 6. Okay, 6 is in what place, it is in the, once again, in the ones place. So you will be writing as in ones place. Then what sign you have, that is a into, we should represent. Okay, then you have to multiply 6 sevens are, so 6 sevens are, it is 42. See, for a multiplication you have to study at least 12 should be represent your tables as in perfect. Okay, the 12 tables should be represented as an perfect. Without that, we can't solve the problems for the multiplication. Daily one table you have to represent, means it is far enough for you people that you can solve the problems very easier. Next we go to the next problem, 4 into 8. 4 into 8. 4 8s are how much? 4 8s are, let we, 4 8s are, but while doing the sum you have to follow these steps. So first we have to represent ones. Here also one digit is here 1. So this, after, before left hand side you will be having a sign which is represented as an, so it is the ones is represented as a 4 and 8 is represented as in the ones place. So what you have to do is take it the 4 as in ones place and 8 is in a ones place and represent here 0. So 8 fours are 8. Now we will be calculating the tables. 8 fours are, it is 32. Next we move to the next problem, that is 9 into 7. So similarly you have to do the problems, and because here 4 into 8, here also he should represent here 9 into 7. 9 is in what place? It is in ones place. 7 is in what place? That is also is in a ones place. So we'll be writing HTO and the two lines. And here students, I'll be making to clear that 9 is in what place? Ones place. 7 is in also ones place. We represent here 0. 6 9 7 7 nines are, or 7 nines are, vice versa, it is same. Okay, we'll be writing as 63 directly. Who has known the tables, you can write. Who has not, here 7 6 7 9 side is 63. 3 6 carry to the next number, and 3 will be represented here. You will be getting as in 63. Clear students, this is about your the multiplication of one digit number. Let we move for the multiplication with a two digit number. Here we go for the multiplication with a two-digit number. Here 32 into 4. So before only I told, this side is the left hand side is separate and the right hand side is also separate. So what you have to do for your left hand side and right hand side? 2. 2 is in what place? Ones place. 3 is in the tens place. You should first represent 0, that is 1 sign tens place. Then after the left and right hand side, you also it's separate. It is in a ones place. Then we have to write HTO. HTO will be representing. Then you have to draw the two lines. You have to draw the two lines. Next we take it as first you have to represent here 2 is in one. This is separate. That is 32. That is 32. The 2 is in what place? 12, tens. That ones place. 3 is in the tens place. And 4 is in what place? That is in a ones place. What sign you have here? Multiplication. Once again I'll be telling for you people that 2 is in ones place, I'm written as a 2, and 3 is in tens place, I'm written as in 3. Then I have multiplied here, and 4 is in what place? It is in a ones place, so we'll be writing as a 4. Then we have to multiply. 4 twos are how much? It is 8. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are how much? 12. 2 1 carry to the next number, so we'll be representing here nothing is number is there, we'll be writing as an 1. Once again I'll be repeating here. 4 twos are how much? 8. So it does not have a carry, and we'll be writing as it is. Okay. Next 4 threes are how much? Here 12. 12 means here 2 1 carry to the next number, we'll be writing as in as it is. Clear? Next we move to the next problem. Here 46 into 5. 46 into 5. So 46 into 5, let me represent. This side is different, this side is different. So we'll be writing first ones, tens. We'll be writing here ones and tens. Here into sign. After this right hand side we'll have a different. We'll be writing here also ones. So because here you have a one digit number. Next we'll be moving to HTO. We'll be drawing two lines. We'll be drawing two lines, and we'll be representing as now 6 in what place? 6 in ones place. We are writing as 6 in ones place. And 4 is in what place? 4 is in a tens place. 4 is in a tens place. So 6 is in what place? It is on ones place, and 4 is in a tens place. 5 is in what place? It is in ones place. We'll be writing as and 5 is in a ones place. Okay. Next 6 5 6 are 5 6 is how much? 30. So will be how will be the carry to the addition, will be writing no 30 is there, no 3 will be 0 will be represent down, and 3 will be carried to the next number, that is in the tens place. So I am written, why I am written that lines mean to carry over to the next number for that. So next we'll write 5 fours are 5 fours how much? 20. How much is carry here? 3. 20 plus 3, we should add that number. 20 plus 3, it is 23. So we'll write as an 23. See here student, once again I'll be representing 46 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 0, carry 3 is 0, 0 and 3 carry to the next number, and 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 20 plus 3 it is 23. Okay, so we'll be writing as 23, 20 plus 3 it is 23. Okay, this is a way of doing your one digit number and two digit number. In your right hand side also you have a represent your two digit number. Will be solving. Next,